Hello everyone, welcome to Creativa. It's time for DIY. Today we are creating, that is making this pearl belt. The technique is very simple. Many of you must have known this or seen this 4 bead pattern. It is easy to make. Before we begin, I would like to share some backstory of this DIY. Why I made like this one, so that you can make according to your outfit. There are different ways you can make this belt, and there are lots of different ideas to use this belt. So don't skip, watch till the end. So I got this dress without belt. It's nice white in color. It has this net pattern. It has these small belt loops. So with the belt, dress fitting look nice at the waist. The regular belt doesn't suit well, and I don't want to add any color by using any coloring belt. I want something that goes well with this dress. So instead of buying, I decided to make one. I think pearl and white are the great combination. I already have some pearl left from one of my DIY project, and to tie the belt I used this ribbon. The ribbon was a part of decor of one wedding invitation. I was happiest when I saw the ribbon going well with this fabric of the dress. I tried to create from what I already have. Many times I upcycle the material, things, stuff that I have. So everything comes together and I made this lovely belt. I share this backstory so that you can also make according to your outfit. You can use different color, different size pearls beads that you have that going well with your outfit. You can tie the belt using ribbon like I did, or you can use S hook or this kind of angle hook in any color, or even you can use velcro. You just need to cut small piece of velcro and stick or sew at the end of the belt and tie the belt. Even you can reuse your old jewelry's hook, like this bracelet has this lobster shape hook. You can use this to tie the belt. Whatever available to you, you can use to make your belt. If you use white pearl like I did, then you can use this as a bridal sash on your wedding day with your white gown like this. You can use this as a latest trending saree belt or belt for any lehenga. You can make in small size to give nice fitting to any baby frock. Now it's time to make a belt. For belt, you need to use strong thread so that belt won't easily break. You can use this crochet cotton yarn or nylon thread or any silk nylon thread, even wool. Use thread that you have, just make sure it's strong enough. Today I am using this nylon thread. Material that I am using: some pearls, measuring tape, two needles, scissor, hook to connect the belt, and nylon thread. First, decide the length of your belt. So this belt is almost 24-inch long. So first we take thread almost the double the required length. You can directly insert your pearl in thread like this. Here I am using two needles to insert the pearl. So thread the needle like this. So thread both the end like this. So I already inserted one pearl. I am going to insert three more. So first you need to insert four pearl. Now shift all of them at the center of the thread like this. Now here I insert my right hand needle into fourth pearl of left side in opposite direction like this. Pull down all the thread. So this is how it looks. Now we insert two pearls into one needle. And one pearl through another needle. Now insert your needle through second pearl in opposite direction like this and pull down the thread. So this is how it looks. Again insert two pearls in one needle and one pearl in another needle, and now insert through second pearl in opposite direction like this. So this is how it's going to look. So you have to continue like this, inserting two pearls in one needle and one pearl in another needle. And insert into second pearl in opposite direction. So continue like this to your required length. So now how to secure your belt by knot at the end. Hold like this. Now remove the needles. Hold tightly. Hold both the ends like this and secure with nice and tight knot like this. So this is how it looks. Now you can connect hook at the end of your belt. Insert your thread through hook like this and tie with the knot. Just secure with nice and tight knot like this. Cut the excess thread. You can also continue from the other end. Just insert thread through this pearl. First cut the required length of the thread. Now here and thread the needle and insert through this pearl. Similarly, thread the other end. Now shift the belt at the center of the thread like this and continue. Just insert 2 pearls in one needle and 1 pearl in another. Now insert the needle in opposite direction through second pearl and pull down the thread like this. So this is how you continue from the other end. And at the end, just remove the needles and secure with nice and tight knot. Now we're going to attach the another end of the hook. Secure this also with nice and tight knot. So now cut down the excess thread and your belt is ready. So this is how it looks. I also made in different color beads. Hope you like this DIY belt. If you make this DIY belt, then do share your creation with me through Facebook, Instagram @CreativeBha. Like, share and subscribe to Creative Bha. Stay creative.